One of the things that you've talked about is the thing that comes up in every single conversation that I have with coaches, and that's culture. You said that when you arrived, the program needed to have a sense of what that culture was going to be. So how would you describe the culture that you wanted to develop, and what are the most important parts of that culture?
Well, obviously having a love for this game and passion for the game of football, and understanding that there's two parts to being a football player at the collegiate level, student athlete. And we're trying to build young people into student athletes and obviously letting them have a great experience in college football and in sports in general. But I think for me, understanding that, as we live in this world of branding ourselves and, social media, that's all fine, because I understand this. At every level, in everything we do in life, whether it's in football, it's in sports, it's in hosting radio shows, whatever it may be, we're all independent contractors because we all try to strive to do things that will better ourselves for our families. But with that being said, this is a unique sport because along with that, are you willing to give up something for the team? And I've always been associated with teams my whole life. And I think that's the big thing in sports now. Are guys willing, the stars, whoever they may be, whatever level they have, and whatever role they serve on your team, that the team is bigger than them? And when you can get a bunch of guys to do that, that's a powerful thing now.
Herm Edwards is joining us. Now, Herm, most of the world knew you from coaching in the NFL, playing in the NFL, your TV work, but the fact is you had been coaching young players as part of the Under Armour All-American game. So how different is it coaching young players versus coaching NFL players?
The only difference is this. NFL players want to know when you're coaching them, how can this coach keep me in the league? College players want to know this. Can this coach get me in the league? Look, as a coach at any level, in any sport, coaches don't give players talent. God gives them talent. What you give them is knowledge. How can the knowledge you give them transfer on the field? How will you put them in position to be successful?